The residence was equipped with 2 Ring cameras, one positioned above the garage and the other being a Ring doorbell camera. At approximately 10 p.m., a man wearing a red jacket, accompanied by another individual, approached the front door of the house. Without any hesitation, the man in the jacket immediately began attempting to forcefully enter the premises, disregarding any form of polite interaction, such as knocking or ringing the doorbell. The impact of his attempts caused the Ring camera to fall from its position, but the door itself remained unyielding. Undeterred, the man proceeded to the side door of the house.